Joanna, what's wrong? My stomach hurts. Did you eat too many cookies again last night? No, the voice wasn't on, so I just went to bed. Did you eat something new? Well, now that you mention it, I did try a new dish at my favorite restaurant last night. Oh, maybe something was wrong with the food? Do you think maybe you have food poisoning? Rachel, I think you hit the nail on the head. Excuse me while I go throw up. To hit the nail on the head means to be right, to have the correct answer to something. So in this video, Rachel was able to hit the nail on the head when she guessed correctly that Joanna had some sort of food poisoning. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like. And if you would like to see future videos on English idioms, please hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.